Hey, what's up, everybody? It's BO. We're going to randomize these names. I just put them in the order that everybody got into the league in, except for Don, who has not gotten in the league. So he is dead last. And we're down to 10. We don't have 12, we're down to 10, which is fine. 10's a good number for us. I'm going to randomize the dice roll. Whatever it comes up on, we will randomize the names that many times, and that'll give us our draft order. And it has to be a 4 or higher. And 10 is definitely higher. I have no idea what that noise was, but we're going to go 10 times. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. No way. Well, I'm glad I videoed this so you guys could see it. P.O. Heather Megan, Courtney J.B. Stump, Natasha Brandy Grizz, and Don. You can see we were going 10 times, and you have randomized the list 10 times. Okay? I will go over here to Messenger and type in done so you guys can check the timestamps and all that stuff if you really want to. Anyway, there's your list. I will copy and paste that list into the chat so you guys can take a look. There we go. And posted. Thanks, guys.